Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this one I'm going to show you how I play Smooth Criminal by Michael Jackson on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and right now this guitar is tuned standard 440. But the original recording of this song is pitched sharp. So if you want to play along with the original recording, you'll have to pitch your guitar sharp as I did. Okay, we're going to start the song on an A flat minor 7 chord played this way. We'll have a sound effect and we'll strike the chord just like that. Now in order to play that chord, I'm at fret 4 and I'm holding down everything from the D string down to the 4th fret. That's A flat minor 7. Now right after that, we're going to strike an A minor 7 chord right here at fret 5. Strike it the same way that we struck the A flat minor 7, but then we'll move into our main groove of the song. It'll sound like this. Just like that. Now in order to play that little groove, we're going to play the open A string, then we'll go to the low E string, fret 3, open again, A, the 2nd fret, open, 2nd, 3, 3 again, 2nd fret, G at the 3rd fret on the low E, and then back to open A. So that's Now when the lyrics get started, we'll play some chords. We'll play like this. And we'll play that through the verses. Okay, so it's that's our A minor 7 at fret 5. A B minor chord, and for that we're holding down the G, B, and high E string at fret 7 and the D string at fret 9, and then a C major chord, and we'll make all our major chords this way. We're holding down the high E and the B string at fret 8, the G string at fret 9, and the D string at fret 10, and that's our C chord. Now we'll use that form and we'll use that minor form throughout the song. So that was and if you strum it with a little bit of rhythm with a 16th note strumming pattern, After that, we'll go to pre-chorus 1, and it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. For that, we went to an F chord, the same form that we used for our C chord. We'll go to a G chord, that's 2 frets up, then back to F. And then we wound up with an E chord, same form, we just slid it down. So, right? So again, that's F, 2, 3, 4. After that, we'll go to pre-chorus 2, and it'll sound like this. So for that one, we went to A minor, and we're using that A minor form, or that minor form, G, F, back to G, A minor, G, F, E, and that'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next, we'll go to the chorus, and the chorus will sound like this. Annie, are you okay? 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 So for that one, we'll go to F, G, F, G, F, G, F, E, 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 just like that. After that, we'll go back to the main groove. Now we'll go through all that again, but later we'll come to a little picking part that goes like this. And that's played by a second guitar. Once again, it goes like this. In order to play that, we're going to go to the 5th fret on the G string, the 4th fret, then open, and that's all on the G string. And then the G string again, the 2nd fret on the D string, the 2nd fret on the G string, then the 4th fret, back to the 2nd fret. And so that's so the entire thing is. So we're going to repeat that, so it's going to go. Notice that my pick is going down, up all the time. Just like that. Now I'm muting those notes also with my palm. I'm palm muting by laying my palm across the bridge of the guitar, across the strings, right? So pecking like that, and when I press I get a sound, but I've got that pecking sound going on by palming. And in the recording it'll sound like this. Now all the parts that we played are repeated in the song, but at the end I like to spice up the chords a little bit, and I play it this way. Now I'm striking my A minor 7, going to my B minor, my C, B minor, back to my A minor 7, and the second time around, then I'm going to hammer on like that. I'm hammering on the A string from fret 7 to 9, and then playing that B minor 7 chord, right? So here it is, one more time. 2, ready, play. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play Smooth Criminal on electric guitar by Michael Jackson. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.